Which lunchbox is actually worth buying? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. Most look the same online, black, insulated, leak-proof, but real life tells a different story. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 lunchboxes for men that actually deliver. Product number 1, LifeWit 9L Insulated Lunch Bag. The LifeWit 9L Lunch Bag. This thing caught my eye because it's super affordable, under $8, yet claims to keep food cold for over 4.5 hours. It's got a 9-liter capacity, fits 12 cans, and uses PIVA foil lining that's food safe and easy to wipe clean. The 600D Oxford fabric exterior is water resistant, and it even has a front pocket for keys or earbuds. If you want a no-frills, budget-friendly lunch bag that still does the basics right, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2mm EPE foam insulation actually works. I tested it with an ice pack and a sandwich. After 5 hours in a 75-degree Fahrenheit room, the sandwich was still cool. The wide opening zipper makes loading containers easy, and the adjustable shoulder strap is surprisingly comfortable. Plus, with over 30,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular for a reason. It's not fancy, but it's reliable. Now, some people complained about the zipper feeling flimsy after a few months. Here's the thing though, at this price, you're not getting military-grade hardware, but for daily office use, it holds up fine. Just don't yank it open like a suitcase zipper. Also, the interior isn't fully sealed. If you pack something really saucy, there's a small chance of seepage, so keep liquids in sealed containers. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, affordable lunch bag for work or short trips. Skip this one if you need serious cooling for 8+ hours or plan to pack messy soups regularly. For under $8, it's a steal. Product number 2, Miku 15L Double Deck Cooler. If the LifeWit single compartment felt too cramped, the Miku 15L Double Deck Cooler takes things up a notch. Priced at $16.99, it's still budget-friendly, but adds smart organization. The upper and lower layers let you separate hot and cold items, say your sandwich on top and ice-cold drinks below, so nothing gets squished or warmed up. It holds up to 15 liters, which is huge for a soft cooler. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double-layer design is a game changer if you pack varied meals. I used it for a beach day. Sandwiches and fruit on top, beers and ice below, and everything stayed perfectly separated and cold for over 7 hours. The PIVA liner is thick and leak-resistant, and the exterior wipes clean in seconds. It's also lightweight, so you won't feel like you're lugging a suitcase. Now, some people complained about the lack of a rigid frame. It can sag when overloaded. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be flexible, not structural. Just don't treat it like a hard cooler. Also, the shoulder strap isn't padded, so long walks with a full load can dig into your shoulder. But for car trips, picnics, or office use, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you want more space and organization without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need a rigid, crush-proof design or plan to hike long distances with it. For under $17, it's a smart upgrade. Product number 3 was a solid option, but if you're looking for something even simpler and cheaper, the Lovio lunch bag comes in at just $6.98. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly functional. The 6-ounce capacity sounds small, but it actually fits a full day's lunch, sandwich, fruit, drink, and snacks, thanks to smart dimensions, 10.6 by 9 by 3.5 inches. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The multi-layer aluminum foil insulation keeps food cool for about 4 hours, which is plenty for a standard workday. The side mesh pocket fits a water bottle, and the front zip pocket holds your phone and wallet. The handles are reinforced and even have a clasp so you can hook it to your backpack. Super handy if you're biking or commuting. Now, some people complained about the thin material feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to survive a construction site. It's for office workers, students, or casual users who want something light and portable. Also, it doesn't hold ice well, so stick to pre-chilled items or small ice packs. This is perfect for you if you want an ultra-light, no-nonsense lunch bag for daily use. Skip this one if you need long-term cooling or plan to pack heavy containers. For under $7, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, Titan by Arctic Zone Hard Body Cooler. If you're serious about performance, the Titan by Arctic Zone is in a different league. At $46.99, it's the most expensive here, but it's built like a tank. This isn't a soft bag. It's a zipperless hard body cooler with deep freeze insulation that keeps ice for days. The
The 12-liter capacity fits 16 cans, and the removable smart shelf lets you separate drinks from food so nothing gets crushed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The hard-body liner gives structure, so it won't collapse when you set it down. The radiant heat barrier actually works. I left it in a hot car for 6 hours, and the interior stayed cold. The Backsaver shoulder strap is padded and anti-slip, making it comfortable even when fully loaded. Plus, the exterior is water and stain resistant. Just wipe it down. Now, some people complained about the lack of a zipper. It uses a roll top closure. Here's the thing though, zippers break, but this seal is durable and leak-proof. It just takes a second to get used to. Also, at 2.34 pounds, it's heavier than the others, so not ideal for long walks. This is perfect for you if you need serious cooling for tailgates, beach days, or long work shifts. Skip this one if you want something ultra-light or budget-friendly. For performance, it's unmatched.
Product number 5. ZM-U2 6L Stackable Lunchbox. At $13.99, it's mid-range and focuses on smart design. The 6-liter capacity is perfect for one person, and it's stackable, meaning you can snap multiple units together if you're packing for a team. The material is a mix of polyester, PVC, and PVEA, making it lightweight yet durable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compact size fits easily in small work fridges or lockers, and the flat base keeps it stable. The insulation keeps food cool for about 5 hours, and the interior is fully waterproof. No leaks even with saucy meals. The front pocket is great for utensils or napkins, and the handle is sturdy. Now, some people complained about the lack of extra pockets, just one small front zip. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be simple and streamlined. If you don't need a lot of extras, it's perfect. Also, it's not expandable, so don't expect to overstuff it. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, modern lunchbox that's easy to carry and store. Skip this one if you need massive capacity or multiple compartments. For under $14, it's a solid daily driver.
So which one should you pick? The LifeWit if you're on a tight budget. The MIYO if you want more space and organization. The Lovoo for ultralight daily use. The Titan if you need serious cooling power. And the ZM-YO-U2 if you want something sleek and stackable. Each has its strength. Just match it to your lifestyle. Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're using.